Okay, so guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into the mysterious world of encryption. But don't worry, we don't have to download any kind of software, we don't have to do any kind of crazy stuff. In this video, you're gonna learn how to protect your precious data from anyone and in simple terms, how to encrypt your data in Windows. Because this is a very important function of Windows and there are only few people who know about this particular feature. So yeah, let's dive deep into it, guys. Okay, so guys, first thing first, what is encryption? So think of it as putting your files in a vault, complete with lasers, guards and a sign that says keep out. But yeah, much less dramatic. What encryption does is encryption scrambles your data into a code that only you can unlock. So if anyone tries to sneak a peek, they will be left scratching their heads like a confused chicken. So why you should care about encryption, right? Well, if you have some sensitive information like bank details, your sensitive documents, etc., you want to keep that under wraps. Encrypting your files is just like putting a do not disturb sign on your digital door. So yeah, enough chit chat, let's go do the stuff. So encrypting files on Windows is basically very simple. You have a folder, right? So in my case, I have a project folder. I'll just cut it and paste it in my drive so that you guys can see in this folder. So yeah, this is a folder we want to encrypt. So I have a new folder here, okay? And in the new folder, I have some files which is called project, and this is my personal project of an application I'm building. So I don't want anyone to access this project. So what I can do is I'll just have to click on properties, and when you click on properties, you'll see the tab that goes general, right? You just have to go to advanced, and after going to advanced, you'll see a checkbox which is named encrypt contents to secure data. You just have to click on it and click on OK. And let me tell you guys, that is it. You have to apply these changes, and you have to apply these changes to folder only if you want to make the folder encrypted. But if you want all the files in this folder also be encrypted, so you just have to select the second option. So I'll select the second option because I want every file to be encrypted. So I'll just click on OK and apply, and you'll see it will apply the attributes to all the files inside my folder. And when I click on OK, you'll see a little icon here which is showing lock, right? So this lock is very important for us, because now let's imagine if someone open my PC, go to new folder, and so guys, now basically all of these files are encrypted and nobody can open it, and only the user which owns it can open it. So as you can see, if I go to properties, and instead of property, you can also see the file ownership. So this is personal file, so this is the way how you can change the ownership. So right now I can also encrypt it again. So this is encrypted. So if you go to security, you'll see this is owned by a work user, which is right now my user. Okay, so if anybody else wants to open it, he or she will receive an error message here and they will not be able to open it. So here is how you guys can encrypt files on Windows. This is a very simple thing to do. Right now I am the user who owns the file, that's why I am able to open it, but the users which don't have right permissions to open it, they can't open it. So yeah, here's how you can encrypt files. So if I go to some other thing, if I go to File Explorer again, so there is another way to encrypt the files of your drive also. So this is my new drive which is called new volume E. I can also use BitLocker to lock this file. To do so, I just have to right click on it, and here is an option which is called turn on BitLocker. Click on that and you'll see use a password to unlock the drive. This password should be very safe, guys, because this password is very important. Without it, you can't even be able to open your drive. Drive encryption is far more secure, guys, and the password you will set, you just have to write it somewhere so that you will not forget it. So I'll just type the password here, click on next. You can also back up your recovery key. I can just save it to a file right now. Let's save it to music right now. So yeah, click on next, again next, and again next, then start encrypting. What it will do, it will start encrypting the drive, and right now this drive is encrypted, guys. So if you want to log this drive, you just have to go to CMD and run it as administrator. Then you just have to type manage BDE, then you just have to type log, then the name of your drive. Press enter, and this is now logged. As you can see, the drive is now logged, guys. You can just do the same thing with unlog, I think. You just have to give the password also. So right now I can't open this file. If you want to open this, then you just have to type the password here, which I'll type, and it is unlocked right now. So yeah, guys, here's how you encrypt your files of your drive, and I have also shown you how to do so with the folders. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Subscribe this channel, guys, for new updates and new videos.